I'll be showing you how to clear your WhatsApp cache. Simple and easy. So we have to move to our settings to do that. So we hop on our settings. Good. And we have to navigate to our apps. So if you are using a different Android phone, just search apps at your settings. Every settings has a search button. Good. So here we scroll down to WhatsApp, which is W. Good. So we have WhatsApp opened here. So we open that. Good. And also to clear a cache on every Android phone, you need to navigate to the storage. So on Samsung is storage, every Android is storage. Good. If you don't see the clear cache immediately, so you can see this the cache here, 18 megabytes. So I just tap on clear cache to clear it. I always emphasize on this: don't clear the data, but rather clear the cache. If you clear the data, all the files you've sent and if you've received is going to be cleared. If there is an image or a video that you need to see, if you've cleared it away, you've deleted it. So that's it on how you clear cache on your WhatsApp. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.